guys, I'm gonna show you my paper dog. Let's go oldest to youngest. Gubaya. So this is the second, Abaya.
Hi, I am a boy, bro.
Even Gubaya is a boy.
Okay.
Cuddle.
I'm a girl or a boy?
He's a boy. Then the fourth one, Drojabay. Here.
I am a boy.
Yeah, Drojabay is a boy. Go to the youngest girl. So here's Kylie.
I am Kylie.
Look, Kylie.
Yay, you like Kylie.
And the last one, Chichi. That's all, guys. Then I'm gonna make a part 2.
Doggy shower!
Yeah, I'm gonna make a part 2 with his sounds. Maybe I'm gonna make a lot of parts. Cuddle, for Cuddle, Abaya, Gubaya, Kylie, Chichi, and Drojabay. And for you guys, what
Lola Meron.
what dog should you pick first? Maybe me, all of them. Maybe Chichi, Gubaya, Kylie, Gubaya, Abaya, Cuddle. We're gonna sama all. And I'm gonna do a
Lola, yun nga yun sa
dog
inyo.
shower.
Yes.